moi. A very good morning, Nisam Bulvinaka, Namaste, and Assalamu alaikum to all our viewers watching live on FBC TV and those joining us via the Fiji government Facebook page across Fiji and also around the world. We're delighted to have you with us as we bring you this special coverage from Subrail Park here in Labasa for this special occasion, the 146th anniversary of Girmit Day, commemorating the arrival of the first Indian indentured laborers to Fiji on May 14th, 1879. And well, what makes today even more meaningful is that we're bringing this coverage to you here on FBC TV in Fiji's 3 major languages, English, Itoke, and Hindi, so that everyone can feel connected to this important national celebration. I'm Cecilina Ravono, and I'm honored to be joined by my colleagues Shireen Prasad, who will be guiding us in Hindi, and Miliki Langi, who will be sharing this commentary in Itoke as we walk together through a day of remembrance, reflection, and unity.
सुप्रभात, मैं शेरीन प्रसाद FBC TV से इस ऐतिहासिक दिन पर आपका हार्दिक स्वागत कर रही हूँ। आज हम सब एक अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण अवसर के साक्षी बन रहे हैं, 146th गिरमिट वर्षगांठ का राष्ट्रीय समारोह। इस समय सुब्रेल पार्क के बाहर फ्लोट सजाए जा रहे हैं। हर फ्लोट एक अलग कथा कहता है, हमारे पूर्वजों की संघर्ष गाथा, उनकी संस्कृति और उनकी अमिट धरोहर को दर्शाते हुए।
Ni bulvinaka na sarsartumai and FBC TV and mataka ni Singapore wa ni kuwa. Mataka ni kuwa and sarabatiko na kena bona no mitiko na kandona ro wasanga bulu kawono ni ambaki na nonda yava mai kina nonda benua oira na wekanda ngona girmitia. Kalonga to baglebo oira na wekanda mai na boliku and kena laki boy vireni. Kina hole kuna nanda bono and kena rara na Subrail Park na songo bimbingo ni kena bona numi dareda toka na mataka ni kuwa no saya da tukani kina rara lebu na taya ambe katika bo me waini koro bwandi ni dine taki na gingi era sa durungo ena lama ni rara na bika era mai vakava oira rangwali mai kina nanda bono era na girmitia era kau mai mera mai teitei na toka boite na kena uku teki mena bengingi anda sarango da toka na mataka ni kuwa kali marau ni kautani bobola ka beki mini na nomini lamani bebu vale na FBC TV na nonda na maindo batetiko na do bona numa da marutaka da bobili benataka na nonda mbola na kanda na girmitia era mai vaka na nonda benua.
That's right, Miliki. Today we honor the courage, resilience, and enduring contributions of the Girmitiers, whose strength and sacrifices, helped shape the rich multicultural fabric of modern Fiji. And well, here comes the float that, pays tribute to the very foundation of Fiji's sugar industry, built on hard work and resilience of the Girmitiers who arrived here over a century ago.
तो हम जैसा कि देख सकते हैं कि रंग बिरंगी फ्लोट यात्रा प्रारंभ हो चुकी है। अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले देखा पारंपरिक परिधान, सांस्कृतिक प्रतीक जो बहुत ही मनोहारी लग रही है। ये यात्रा सिर्फ एक शोभा यात्रा नहीं है, बल्कि ये हमारे इतिहास, आत्मबल और आत्मगौरव की यात्रा है।
Ni ndabore toka na nonda sa taya likumai oira na wekanda mai na bole kuni nonda benua na songo go e boy duriti na Subrail Park mai Labasa rame na ngai na maka tikuna bibo marota ke na lewe na tiko na songo na mataka ni kuwa na hulangi tiko na songo na mataka ndindai na turanga na peristendi ni nonda benua turanga mbale na tuida kau na tiko mer na hulangi na singini kuwa na kena mo ibona no mitiko na no nombolo ira na kando ka kamara menda na ngai rede talitunga na mataka ndindai o ira na sayamba ki walu sanga bul kalima kuta vaki soer saro wada na ri talanoa e soer sambula tiga na ngongo kana ngai rongo di tiga na ri talanoa e na soli talitunga ni no lama beira o ira sambula ndo no maka mena ngono ya o ira na nondra kawer se tiga na ngongo mena ndo rongo di tiga na ri talano o ya na vika erangan reva mena ndo talano ataki mera kila ira na muri de tigmai na vika era maindo no maka senga so tini talano rawa enda ronga da ni ra talano atakai na vika ndende era me lakuduruma enda boble naka ni ra lakuduruma rawa yo ya da samere de tuna kena naka ngongo pambe ira na kena kawa na ngiri na sere na meker no pagaritaka e wakataki kila takatunga na nonrambula oira ngole mai e na ngone oira na Girmit years.
You know, as the float procession, you know, moves through the Subrail Park here, you know, in Labasa, you know, it's just, we're taken back in time, you know, to when the first Girmitiers arrived in Fiji. Just look closely at the clothing on display that they wear today. Simple worn fabrics that, you know, just reflecting the journeys they made and the lives they were, you know, about to begin. Fiji Sugar Corporation we see today was born from that very legacy after years of indentured labor. You know, many Girmitiers stayed on and, you know, became farmers, and now their descendants continue that work through FSC.
तो जब तक आप देख रहे हैं फ्लोट, तब तक हम गिरमिट के इतिहास के बारे में कुछ जानकारी आपको दे दें। 1879 से 1916 तक लगभग 60,537 भारतीय फीजी पहुंचे थे। जब 1916 में ये गिरमिट प्रथा समाप्त हुई तो बहुत से लोगों ने यहीं बसने का निर्णय लिया और यहीं को अपना घर बना लिया। इन गिरमिटिया मजदूरों ने 7 समुंदर पार किया, जिसे ये काला पानी कहते थे। समुद्र की लहरों में डोलती जहाज़ों पर संकुचित और कठिन परिस्थितियों में यात्रा की और यहाँ फीजी पहुंचकर उन्हें बेमिसाल गर्मी, अनजान ज़मीन और अत्याचारों का सामना करना पड़ा, लेकिन साथ ही उनके अंदर था दृढ़ संकल्प, मेहनत और उम्मीद।
Yeninda sarabatoka nangingi ersadu ritumai ersaya titikani kina Subrail Park. Dareda toka na isulu era tokar tomai oira na bondo tomai nangingi oira na satu erara era ninda na ritaya na lotaka na isulu era tokar na ngono ya ngono raya do mai kina nondo benua. Dareda rame na suka na dobu. E wata kele non ramai vaka bonde e na veilonga ni dobu e rako mai mera mai vaka e nda marau da bon benaka e na ngono ya me vabe na ngono go e sandutu nei buru ni lavo sai ko na suka daro ni retelo ta ko ni ramai vaka kina e na ndo na ngona na rede ni sa tiku bu tau tale toknga na vale ni sarsara rana makiti ko merna gaya veani e turanga na prestendi ni nondo benua merna la kindola vetiko na songo singa tolu e na tegu sa tegu bona mataka ni kua kom tomani ka vakuri ni mataka singa mo ni tena singa bo vangi e na ngale bo ka vari tiku kina da rele ni bakai vakale tal tonga na raki susua mai na boli ko ni nondo banua.
Well, that's right, Miliki. You know, we've had a few, rain showers this morning, a little blessing from above, but that's not stopping, that's not stopping us. This event is still going strong and everyone is in high spirits. Just talking about the Sugarcane Growers Fund, float, this was an essential lifeline for so many families. It helped cane farmers, many of them were Girmitier descendants, just to access loans back in the day and tools to keep their farms running strong. And this float also reminds us of the Sugar Research Institute of Fiji. It might be newer, but its mission ties back to those early days, just supporting the industry the Girmitiers helped build, now with modern science and innovation.
तो गन्ने के खेतों में इन गिरमिटियों ने ऐसे हालात झेले थे जो गुलामी से कम नहीं थे, फिर भी उनके संघर्ष और बलिदानों ने फीजी के इतिहास में एक अमिट छाप छोड़ी है। ऐसी ऐतिहासिक विरासत को सम्मान देने के लिए फीजी के गठबंधन सरकार जो 2022 में सत्ता में आई ने यह संकल्प किया कि गिरमिट दिवस को एक राष्ट्रीय अवकाश और भव्य सेलिब्रेशन के रूप में, उत्सव के रूप में मनाया जाएगा। तो बीते 3 वर्षों से ये दिन पूरे गौरव और श्रद्धा के साथ मनाया जा रहा है सुब्रेल पार्क लंबासा में, जहां से सीधा प्रसारण FBC टीवी पर आप देख रहे हैं।
Dareda ni rasa ya telangani kirara tongori na no to ibo takile na bakali selesi pengerabi bo matini tu. Akireti go bekenda na len banua ke bakai tu bekenda sona beka memba una numi tukina na non raya do mai kina non banua wer na Girmitiers na tamba se sombega na sele sombega na sere ya da boni benaka ni da sarida e da rida le ken sala kitiko e na boro te kitendo na banua merna le kitukina na beka so e rambo baka ngataka oira na Girmitiers mai baka na numitu anda reda na non raya do mai mena baki ya me da to mai ngonongo na ya ni vaka na non risulu na non raya ni kana sombe ka rambo saini ana be kaya ngandrevi anda bon benaka be kem ni no kanda ku ni sar ti mai bombimbi mai no boliko ni no ngale muni lagi sarama warote itu na bonua e marro itu kina medana le renda vitala no taka na be karando no makoir no kanda na girmities.
Thank you very much for being here this morning.
That's right. The exhibition tent. Currently 15 exhibitors have confirmed having exhibitions on the ground. We have some other agencies also showing keen interest. But just for those of you in Labasa, the exhibition tent is something to go and visit because many carried only the bare essentials, few belongings as well, cooking pots, traditional, grinding stones like the chaki used to make flour for roti and their hopes for a better future. And one thing to love about this is, these items and practices slowly became a part of everyday life here in Fiji. From the scent of spices in our kitchens to the roti on our plates, what the Girmitiers brought with them has been woven beautifully into the fabric of our multicultural society.
तो 146th गिरमिट कमेमोरेशन सुब्रेल पार्क लंबासा में आज से शुरू हुआ है और ये 3 दिवस तक चलता रहेगा। जैसे कि आप FBC TV पर देख रहे हैं, खेत का मॉडल बनाया गया है। जिस तरह से इन्होंने गन्ने के खेतों में काम किया, कड़ी धूप हो या गंभीर बारिश, उनको काम करना ही पड़ता था। और आज मैं गर्व के साथ ये कह रही हूँ कि जो हमारे गिरमिटिया थे, उनकी कड़ी मेहनत की वजह से आज हम वहाँ हैं जहाँ हम हैं। और इस वर्ष का थीम है अतीत की विरासत, भविष्य की परिकल्पना। अतीत की विरासत उन संघर्षों, बलिदानों और योगदानों की याद है जिन्होंने इंडो-फिजियन समुदाय की नींव रखी। और भविष्य की परिकल्पना एक ऐसे फिजी की कल्पना है जो समरस, शांतिपूर्ण और समावेशी हो।
As we await for the arrival of our chief guest, Shireen, I understand you've actually been to India. How did it feel to walk the land your ancestors left over a century ago?
Yes, I've been to India and honestly it was overwhelming. जब मैं उस मिट्टी पर कदम रखी तो एक अजीब सी रूहानी फीलिंग भी थी। I kept thinking, was this the place where my great-grandparents once lived before crossing the 7 seas? They called it the Kala Pani. It felt like a home I never knew I missed.
Did visiting India give you a deeper connection to your roots?
हाँ, बिल्कुल. India gave me a sense of completeness. I could see where our customs, our language, our food all came from. और जब मैं एक मंदिर में घंटी जब मैंने बजाया या किसी गांव के मेले में गई, मुझे लगा जैसे अपने पुरखों से मिल रही हूँ।
Was there a moment that truly moved you while in India?
हाँ, एक पल था जब मैं एक पुरानी हवेली के पास रुकी थी। किसी ने बताया यहीं से कुछ लोग फिजी गए थे। I stood there quietly thinking, क्या उनमें कोई मेरे दादा दादी के रिश्तेदार होंगे? That silence spoke to me louder than any words.
How do you carry that emotional journey with you in your life today?
मैं उन यादों को जीती हूँ मिली की, चाहे रेडियो पर भजन सुनाऊँ या किसी महफिल में गिरमिट की बात करूँ। I see myself as a bridge between the past and the future, between Fiji and India.
Isa na viwe kani ya na wana nanu ya sembula tunga veira na ngongo ya nda wonu vinaka na nondo vanua ni vondo no itimenda ndo maro taka da wana no mira da wana vinata kira na kanda erangwale ma India mera me vaka karvot kairatu mera girmitis na kena songo and the sarabati ko na ngongo vai verto na Subrail Park mai Labasa sa retego bu keliani na lori na ginge u takiani bu matau na tambe na matagani kuwa e rate bu tambe mai weni koro duruma na tawuni ni beri ngava mai ki na Subrail Park mai Labasa sa tega bu wawati ko na len benua warote tu na watu warotaki merna mai dambe kina na turang bale na presidente ni nonda matini tu karena bulangi tiko na songo ni kuwa Tanangay na numata na
जी हाँ, हम जैसा कि देख रहे हैं कि महामहिम राष्ट्रपति के इंतज़ार में लोग हैं और हम इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि कब वो सम्मानजनक क्षण आए जब हमारे देश के सर्वोच्च नागरिक महामहिम राष्ट्रपति रातू नैंगामा ललम्बलावु का समारोह स्थल पर स्वागत हो.
Ya, naidina dari toka na ndodoka to naidina tambuvangi. Ngwani watakil ke naidina rambu bangang taka ndono ngona. Ana be kai soer sako te tukani na len benua kana laki waro tegitu ana be bertuno lo sawa tarabo benaka tarabo mangos tukina merle biutu laki sarab na len benua rawili kana kana bola tuku ana be kai randono maka oir na girmities. Tebu mirimalu tu na uda na lama ni rara na Subrail Park ni rawara kitiko na bulangin tokai.
That's right, Miliki. Despite the rain, they're still coming in numbers. Spirits are high for today's event. We're still waiting for the arrival of the chief guest, His Excellency Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu, the President of the Republic of Fiji, will be escorted by the Punjabi, the Pitachi's Punjabi. And just a quick history fact: the immigration records in the National Library of Australia has released over 60,000 immigration records of Indian indentured laborers who came to Fiji. This was between 1879 and 1916, and these records include names, ages, villages, and other personal details, just offering families today a chance to trace their roots. They've also shared a special registry that records the deaths of Indian immigrants in Fiji from 1879 all the way to 1972. And this is just a powerful step in helping descendants to connect with their family history and just to keep the stories of the ancestors alive. Now, Shireen, did you ever try to track down your ancestors and their roots in India while you were in India?
I did, though indirectly. I began researching through the National Archives of Fiji, looking for records, names, and ship registers. It was part of the process to apply for an overseas citizenship of India, that is OCI card, and it gave me a deeper appreciation for the journey my ancestors took.
Raninda rede tokongore na ya ni giringiri na programu na singani kuwa kena be singa vitara berua na rongodi tukina na ngiringiri roboto ko na bajan na no bakame no ser makawa na bekandongo na girmitieze na kalonga to na tiko na rara ni kuwa na sarava na voider tukina na bogata susua kena baga taito na ya ni giringiri na maronda bon benaka ni na vodo te tiko oira samba ki wol sanga bul kalima lako dhake resambula ngongo oira meka no non kawa oira rangole me ngono ya kar se tiko ngono ngo me ka ka oti era ngandreba merna tala no taka no tala no na be kar sota kaya menan daw tala no taki merna ka ko ni wala baba kenda bonde na kan sa tawti ko na rara ya ve tiko na lel benua no ndo wara kiti na turang mbale na prestendi no ndo matini tu merna bulangi and a song bimbini kuwa.
14th May 1879 में आकर यहाँ फीजी में लगी हुई थी 1879 से लेकर 1916 तक गिरमिट प्रथा के नीचे हमारे पूर्वज हिंदुस्तान से यहाँ पर आए हुए थे लगभग में 60,500 लोग फीजी में आए हुए थे और आज के इस शनिवार के सुबह में ऐसे रंगीन हालांकि मौसम ठीक नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी आप सबका हम स्वागत करते हैं जो लोग घर से भी देख रहे हैं लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग हियर और इवन इफ यू आर वाचिंग लाइव फ्रॉम होम you are most welcome to witness the 3 days of events that has been hosted at Subrail Park, Labasa through Ministry of Multi-Ethnic Affairs and Sugar Industry on behalf of the Minister, Honorable Charanjit Singh, and the team at Ministry. We welcome you all. Vinaka.
and gentlemen, we await the arrival of the chief guest, the President of the Republic of Fiji, Nangone Turangambale na Tuidakau, His Excellency, Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu, and the First Lady, Her Excellency Emily Lalabalavu. As the vehicle approaches into the ground premises, I will request that everyone be upstanding as they arrive.
We're trying to open the middle gate. Here. I'm going towards them.
Very good morning once again, Nisambul Vinaka, Namaste and Assalamu alaikum to our viewers watching live on FBC TV and also those joining us via Fiji government Facebook page across Fiji and also around the world. Well, now we are awaiting the arrival of our chief guest, the President of the Republic of Fiji, His Excellency Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu. He will be with us shortly before we proceed with today's celebration.
Ninda wara katiko na nonra yavamai na ngone turangambale na tuidakau na presidente ni nonda mati ni tu Ratu Naiqama Tawake Valati Lalabalavu arsawawa telanga wer na turanga kena marama ena vale ni sarsara ena nonra nama ki mera maindolava na kandona ra wasanga bulu kawono ni nonda bona no metiko na nonra yavamai ki na nonda bonua oira na wekandongo na Girmit. Ni tabo muria ba malo na kiani talanoa na be kaira mai satakaya. Oi rarangole mai na bosongo na Girmit e ko mai na dona bosa bo perta ne agreement na be indine dinati e avo verbeira karamani boga io merangole to mai kina e so be non ritalano andanga rongoda e ave ndindu na be ka e avarte ke be ke na be karamai dona maka. E ndando no mendando bo bile na tekira non mai bo sota non vaka rarawa kaki na oi non kawa.
तो जैसा कि सेसेलिना और मेरी साथी मेलिकी ने कहा कि हम इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं हमारे देश के सर्वोच्च नागरिक महामहिम राष्ट्रपति रातू नैंगामा ललम्बलावु के पदार्पण का। जैसे ही वो पहुंचते हैं तो हम आपको ये दिखाएंगे भी। FBC TV पर आप देख रहे हैं 146th गिरमिट कमेमोरेशन सुब्रेल पार्क लंबासा से, और फीजी गवर्नमेंट फेसबुक पेज पर भी आप इसको लाइव देख सकते हैं। और अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आपने FBC TV स्क्रीन पर देखा किस तरह से जो लड़कियां हैं उन्होंने वाइट कलर की साड़ी पहन रखी हुई है। ये जो साड़ियां हैं अभी तो हम बहुत कम देखते हैं, लेकिन इन साड़ियों को पहनकर जिस तरह से गन्ने के खेतों में काम किया जाता था, आप सोच सकते हैं कि किस तरह हमारे पूर्वज इन साड़ियों को पहनकर गन्ने के खेत में काम किया करते होंगे।
That's right, Shireen. You can really feel the joy in the air here, in Labasa. For those of you in the Babasinga, it's a proud moment to have this Girmit Day celebration happening right here in the hometown. And it's great to see families, have come out in numbers. Schools are also involved, and, there's just such a strong sense of community and pride, for Labasa, a place with deep ties to Girmit history. And, hosting this national commemoration is more than just an event. This is more of a tribute to their roots, their resilience, and their role in shaping Fiji's diverse identity. And as, Milik had mentioned, today we also look back at the story of the Girmitiers, who journeyed from India to British colonies in the mid-late 19th century, many of whom have, made these lands their new home. And as she mentioned, the term Girmit comes from a mispronunciation of agreement, of the word agreement, referring to the contract that brought them here.
Irsa tandiani na ngoni turangambale na tuidakau karena bulangi tiko en mataken dendai en buku ni nondo na laki ndola butigo na songo bimbi esenta sarele rasaya do talitungani na turanga na tui maduata na itau ke imbola tangani na presidente boga vengo ni nondo matini tu era mbolo venaka era na laki tiko talanga en buku ni songo bimbi kana boidori en mataken kua karena warra katigo na turang bale na tui da kau era na bulangi ndo kai tiko en singa venaka ende da ronga tiko non rambola ki siku tuki non tiko na tau ke imbola tangani na turanga bale na ngoni turanga bale na tui da kau ana veo kanin rendre yanda bona venaka ni rona mai tiko ena buni kenan dola non rabona ni mitu na kanda na Girmit Days ai kan dona ra ubasanga bolu kaono ni ambaki ni sere kiti na buli verna ngoni buli mai no boliku erna tiki taletunga ni songongo enda na rongoda na non ritala noa na non ra na veka rambaukila sa talo no taki veira era buli ve korni buli na veka membaletir na Girmit Days ngona ndana ngone na ngwingole da vendendre verna kanda mai no boliku ni non vanua ni na kena sa kausaranga ni veira na kena laki maro taki na mbaki sa woti bagadir mai no moira ka bagadir talanga en korpa turang suba na mbaki ani kimori ngo doine na mandingi na woli ko ni nondo banua ni rawara kitiko na ngone turang mbali na tuida kauna presidenti ni nondo matini tu.
तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं सभी फ्लोट समारोह स्थल पर पहुंच चुके हैं और मेहमानों का स्वागत हो रहा है और मंच पर विराजमान है हमारे देश के भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति रातू विलियामे कतोनी वेरे और उनका स्वागत हो चुका है। स्टेडियम की ओर देखें तो अभी और भी लोग आएंगे क्योंकि थोड़ी सी बारिश उधर लंबासा में हो रही है लेकिन उत्साह की जो लहरें हैं हर दिशा में महसूस किया जा रहा है।
That's right, Shireen. Well, the former president of Fiji, William Katonivere, is with us on the stage, a great presence as we await the arrival of our chief guest. A lot is happening throughout the celebration. It's a long weekend of celebrations as well, and it's great to have people still, we still have time to head on down to Subrail Park in Labasa because the real celebration is about to begin.
बिल्कुल, जब हमारे पूर्वज गिरमिट समझौते के तहत भारत से हज़ारों मील दूर फिजी लाए गए थे तो उनके पास ज़मीन नहीं थी, घर नहीं था, लेकिन दिल में था अपनी भाषा, अपनी संस्कृति और अपने लोकगीतों का ख़जाना। आज 1 बजे के बाद जब कल्चरल सांस्कृतिक प्रोग्राम होंगे FBC द्वारा तो आप देखेंगे बहुत ढेर सारे लोकगीत सुन सकेंगे। खेतों की कठोर मेहनत के बाद जब शाम ढलती थी तो किसी झोपड़ी में उठती थी ढोलक की थाप और गूंजता था कुछ लोकगीत जैसे बाबुल मेरा नैहर छूटे जाए। ये गीत था दर्द का लेकिन साथ ही उम्मीद का भी।
Persanda betoka na turang na tuimaduata na itau ke imbola tangani na non rawawa tali tunga bat keira na len bano era saya do tukani kina rara lebu na Subrail Park na non nama kitiko na turang na presidente na non mati ni tu karena bulang itu na songom bimbi ungo nda bani benaka ni waro tito na kendena mande ni vakala toka na mirni do sangni bagatawa takir na len bano mai na buli ko saya do tikayani na buku ni non na laki tikitale tungani songo na singa benaka ni kuwa ya darele so sangai udo to mai kirara na buku ni non na mai bakai tabi tali tunga na songo bimbi ni kuwa. Yanda rongoda na ngiri rongo to mai muri ni ngoli to mai ndo na lori kena veka bare tek to mai ran ko tale sino bona na veira na oira na non kawe na Girmit Days na veka ran do rongoda na ngolo ya rongo to mai me ba takil kila tek tunga kena na songo bimbi ni kuwa.
जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं हुद्दा तासा बजते हुए एक और फ्लोट प्रोसेशन आ रहा है। ये है लंबासा मल्टीकल्चरल सेंटर, ये इनका फ्लोट है और आप देख रहे हैं कि जिस तरह से इन्होंने पगड़ी बांधा हुआ है, पगड़ी आज भी लोग बांधते हैं जब ऐसा कुछ अवसर होता है। पगड़ी का ख़ास मतलब यही होता है कि धूप से, सर को गर्मी से ये एक बचाने का ज़रिया होता था। हुद्दा तासा की आवाज़ आप सुन रहे हैं और ब्रदर्स हुद्दा तासा ग्रुप द्वारा ये हुद्दा तासा बजाया जा रहा है।
Thanks, Shireen. Well, I heard that, the minister, for multi-ethnic affairs, he did say that he has full confidence in the, items prepared by the Labasa Cultural Center, and those that have been organized by other artists will be top-notch, throughout the celebration this weekend. And today, you can really see the beauty of our diverse cultures through, the outfits people are wearing today, from the bright, colorful saris, got some kurta pajamas to the traditional, Fijian, Sulu, and Bula shirts. Everyone's attire just adds to the spirit of unity and pride as we celebrate Girmit Day.
Iana songongonda reida rol mai na vai matatam sakani ni da sa mai bula watanga no da benua and the sandova and the sadavata and the savilomani songongo sengwalanga ni no da vata da reida ir to alitu mai na Sulu er to tokar mai lako pat kene uku ka bomboti ningo sa tokari beira ka rotala nya talo no te beira ngo na Sulu randaro ire ngono ya na bi katala ngai rangan repeti ko ire sembulan don maka ngono go menando talo no te tiko wala banaka ni ra tital tungan sogna ministry ni tete saya dur talanga mai na rara lebungo na Subrail Park ena buni no nana maki ena bi kakana lewena toka tawana tigo na songo ena singani kua.
And yes, the floats, there will be a total of 9 floats today. And the 9th one will be from the Labasa Cultural Center. We will have a replica of the ship Leonidas arriving via the Labasa River at the port on the edge of Subrail Park. It will dock at Jaduram Wharf. Now this will be interesting, site which depicts the arrival of the first, Girmitiers to Fiji. And we have these artists who will showcase or dramatize, what transpired 146 years back. Perhaps another reason for people in Labasa to come and be part of the event, or you can watch through on our FBC TV and also the government website. And to add to that, the top and best 3 floats will be awarded with a prize on the last day, and there will be a strict judging criteria will be followed, and also an independent panel of judges will be involved.
तो जैसा कि आप फ्लोट में देख रहे हैं, गिरमिट काल में हमारे पूर्वजों के कपड़े बेहद साधारण हुआ करते थे। जैसा कि अभी आप देख रहे हैं, सफ़ेद रंग के कपड़े पहने हुए हैं। महिलाएं साड़ी पहनती थी, अक्सर बिना ब्लाउज़ के, क्योंकि उन्हें या तो साथ लाने की अनुमति नहीं थी या उन्हें उपलब्ध नहीं कराया गया था। ये इसी लुगड़ी की तरह लपेटती थी। वहीं पुरुष धोती या कभी-कभी लुंगी और एक साधारण गमछा या कुर्ता पहनते थे।
Yanda reda ni rasa tu banitu na bengingi kutaki ra ngole mai na matang ni ko kaki na verna tayambe me aviwa to zoko na ngingi boro ukutaki me rangingi mai na matakongo na kene ke viwa tiko mai na Labasa Cultural Center ya na kena kana na maki ni ndo taletinga me na retail tiko na wangongo na Leonidas na wanga rabo ndo maikina o ira na Girmit ya ngono ya and Sokomai and Labasa River na udhiwa me Labasa kana langale ki kele toka and mwani Subrail Park menangale ki kele vondo toka na Jaduram and wabungo na Jaduram and donet kina mendangai nanama ki mendangai sarava na kena nonda na reta ya lotaka na wanga rabondo maikina oir na Girmitiers.
Something to look forward to today as well, Miliki and Shireen, is the awards for the Girmit descendants. Now, we will be honoring senior descendants of Girmitiers 85 years and above from the Northern Division in recognition for their immense contribution to Vanua level and the country. And this is a very important recognition by the coalition government for their hard work and commitment to this country.
तो जैसा कि ससेलिना ने कहा कि गिरमिट वंशजों को पुरस्कार दिया जाएगा, उन महान गिरमिट वंशजों को सम्मानित किया जाएगा जिन्होंने समाज और संस्कृति के क्षेत्र में अहम योगदान दिया है। और ये एक भावुक पल होगा जब इतिहास को वर्तमान में सराहा जाएगा।
Indir sarar na dolet kina talnga inda ngai na nama kitu kina menda na raida na nono na bo binibina taki oir sangasi ambaki walu sanga bulu kalima lakadake maina boli kuni nondo benua me bo binibina taki kina nonda dhau kibo no mai bono levo kakina nonda bono bina kungo viti ngwendo na tikina bimbi katubu kakina na matini tu dhobata me bo binibina taki kina nonda vaka binaka nonda vaka baku kawa nonda solietu nonda ndina ena itabi ra komekina mera mengaraba ngwendo na tikina enda na bo binibina taki kina karawa mena ngai bo andina ndina taka ena songo bimbi kabo idurtiko ena mataka nikoa.
You really have to admire the effort put into these floats. You know, they look amazing, you know, as they make their way into Subrail Park. Such a great way to celebrate Girmit Day today. And, you know, on that note, the Girmit Descendants Awards, I believe we're anticipating around 150 Girmit descendants to receive the awards during this 3-day celebration. And the oldest descendant in Vono level, as well, I am told, is Miss Jamiran Lalabalavu, who is 108 years old, born in 1917, and hails from Basonga, Labasa.
Yerota ni nama kitiko mena donan raw 5 taudoko o era na non rakawa na kando na Girmit era na solitiko ber na ibo binaka ena lama ni singa tolo ni songo tiga kitiko ni kuwa ya tunga itu ramai bonua levo o kwa sambo ngasen dua endona marama o Jamiran B samba ki donan raw kawalu na marama ngo kasude na tinika viwa tinika vitu Waktu itu ko mai Basonga mai Labasa erna mai tiko ena songo talanga ena singini kwanta reda na lebu ni veira na kando no no kawa sambula dono sambula tiko na ngongo werungo erna maro to bo lebu na songo kana boy dir tiko singa tolungo mai na Subrail Park mai Labasa tiko butawa na pale ni sarsara kenda na ito okay werna kando bo na India mata tali so sangwale tukani merlaki maro takatinga lekandona ro basanga bul kawono ni embaki no rather make viti or na Girmites.
Now, Shireen, since we are talking about Girmit descendants, you know, have you heard stories about your ancestors' experiences during the Girmit era?
Yes, Selena. Growing up, I often heard stories from my grandparents. They spoke about the struggles, the harsh conditions, long hours in a foreign land.
And now we turn to one of the most anticipated moments of today's Girmit Day celebration, the official arrival of our chief guest, the President of the Republic of Fiji, His Excellency Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu.
और अब वो सम्मानजनक क्षण आ गया है जब हमारे देश के सर्वोच्च नागरिक महामहिम राष्ट्रपति रातू नैंगामा ललम्बलावु समारोह स्थल पर पधार चुके हैं। उनका पारंपरिक पंजाबी ढोल के साथ भावपूर्ण स्वागत किया गया। यह क्षण भावुक कर देने वाला है जब इतिहास वर्तमान से मिलता है।
Ya nangono na maki nanon rawara kitiko na pulangindo kai ena songo bimbingo era sa sombo sa kamai ena non lori boro taki na turang na presidente na mati tu turang bali na tu kau karabulangi na songo na singani Ratu Naiqama tawake dalati Lalabalavu era na bulangi tiko na buni songo kanang garabi na singani kwanda boni binaka nangone rado makina mundo toka na tauni uda ena bungani nrake ndono makitu.
Now, as he approaches the ceremonial stage, we will witness soon now we have the Arti and Tika ceremony. Now, this is a sacred Hindu ritual performed as a gesture of deep respect and blessings. And this morning, the Arti and Tika will be respectfully offered by Kairav Lalji and Rahul Sharma, welcoming His Excellency with light, color, and sacred tradition.
तो जैसा कि आपने देखा कि महामहिम राष्ट्रपति का आगमन हो चुका है और ये मंच पर अब इनको बिठाया जा रहा है। बहुत ही सम्मान पूर्वक इनकी आरती उतारी गई है और अब आप FBC टीवी पर इनको देख रहे हैं जिस तरह से वो गर्व के साथ विराजमान हुए हैं।
Irsandambe no indamdambe borotaki na monitorang bal na tuyo kau na presidente no matin tu kakaki na first lady randam tartar tunga na turang na tuyo maduata na ito kay molatangane kanda reda ng giri-giri boy verta kan matang kuwa na kinda boy to kina na ilalako ano no reda tuyo kay na bulang into kai na kandona na ubasa nga bulka ono yambaki ni kena bona no mi na no reda mai kina no ndabano irna Girmit Days.
You know, in true celebration of Fiji's multicultural identity, His Excellency is being escorted with the First Lady into Subrail Park by the resounding, rhythms of the Punjabi drums led by the Pitachis, now a traditional and spirited North, Indo-Fijian welcome that signifies the honor and celebration.
Endua enda na roni na kaya en maruta wale na songongo mebuka endua era susu kara bula tek ngamai Labasa se kwa naturang na minister ni multi ethnic affairs kay suka.
I would like to now humbly request the Turanga Natui Madawata, former President Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu to light the dia this wonderful morning, together with the Honorable Minister Charanjit Singh.
Now,
The
these,
lighting of the
these
dia
rituals
holds deep spiritual,
drawn
cultural,
from different cultures,
and symbolic
yet woven together in this
in
moment,
Indian
just reflecting the
tradition.
heart of Girmit
It
Day,
represents
unity,
light,
respect, and enduring spirit of our diverse Fijian
spiritual
family.
awakening, purity,
The Minister for Multi-Ethnic Affairs and Sugar Industry, Honorable Charanjit Singh, and also the former President, Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu, as they light the lighting of the dia.
तो जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कि फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट रातू विलियामे कातोनिवेरे और मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ मल्टी एथनिक अफेयर्स एंड शुगर इंडस्ट्री के मंत्री चरणजीत सिंह ने दिया प्रज्वलित किया है। ये ज्ञान, आस्था और परंपरा का प्रतीक है और दिए की ये ज्योति हमें प्रकाश, विवेक और एकता का संदेश देती है। अब राष्ट्रगान के लिए सब लोग खड़े हो चुके हैं।
Well, the atmosphere here at Subrail Park has gently shifted after the lively celebrations. The crowd now pauses for a moment
the Nasser Methodist Church Choir to
of
lead
quiet
us
reflection as
into
we
the
enter
singing of the
the
national anthem.
we wait for the national anthem.
हम स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं कि एक वृद्ध महिला को लेकर आया जा रहा है। शायद इनको स्टेडियम में बैठाया जाए या फिर रंगमंच पर ले जाया जाए। बहुत ही वृद्ध लग रही हैं देखने में और इन्होंने सफ़ेद रंग की साड़ी पहन रखी है और हम बस इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि कब फिजी का राष्ट्रगान गाया जाए और हमारी ध्वजा, फिजी की ध्वजा आसमान में लहराए।
Song, I may request the Nasser Methodist
Sawa
Church
watu na len
to please
benua
lead us
menalangan
with
ser
the
benua se na national
national
anthem te o taki kena na songo ni saya yani na turang na presidente no da matini tu ana kena laki ndola ti na songo.
Kavakaleva, please take your seats. I also invite the float participants, may you make your way to the embankment area. Vinakavakaleva. First and foremost, we acknowledge the Almighty for His divine guidance and blessings. We also pay our deepest respects to the traditional custodians of this land, the past, present, and future landowners, for their enduring connection to the land, its waters, and its communities. With those few words, I wish to warmly welcome our chief guest, the President of the Republic of Fiji, Nangone Turangabale Natuidakau, His Excellency Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu, and the First Lady, Her Excellency Emily Lalabalavu. We also wish to acknowledge the presence of the Turanganatui Maduata, former President Ratu Williame Katuniver, the Honorable Charanjit Singh, Minister for Multi-Ethnic Affairs and Sugar Industry and Chair of the Labasa Girmit Committee, Cabinet Ministers and Assistant Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, members of the Diplomatic Corps, Permanent Secretary, distinguished guests, including the Chair, Special Administrator, Labasa Town Council, Mr. Paul Jaduram, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. A warm greeting is also extended to those joining us via television and digital platforms, both here in Fiji and around the world. A particularly heartfelt welcome goes to the esteemed senior Girmit descendants who are present with us this morning. Your presence honors us all. Faith unites us in our journey towards peace and prosperity. We will now have interfaith prayers from our religious leaders. We call upon Pastor Wilson Gabriel, Pandit Chanda Shandil, and Malvi Mokshin to lead us into prayers.
Let us all go together to the Lord in the prayer this morning. I will ask everyone here in the ground that we'll just close our eyes and bow our head. Our Heavenly Father, God Almighty, we are here together, Almighty God, as a family, the nation of Fiji. This 146th Girmit commemoration, Lord. It's a blessing to the nation of Fiji in preserving, Almighty God, the past and envisioning the future. We look at the weather, we look at our leaders are all here this morning. Fiji is here, Lord, and this is our prayers to you as we commit and dedicate this time within this week, Almighty God. We believe that we'll bless our hearts, Almighty God, making us understand that you are the beginning of everything. Before we came, before we were existed, we thank you, Lord. These is the plans that are happening in the future of Fiji today. And we thank, Lord, that our leaders of the government, that they can allow this time that we come together, nothing else, Lord, just to say thank you this morning. Thank you for your precious love, your mercy, your grace. As we have seen, Lord, how true you are, especially God. God is always listening to the prayers of his people, the nation of Fiji today. We sing out our national anthem. Lord, this is our praise down deep in our heart. We have seen our leaders here, the Excellency, the President Almighty God, our government ministers, Lord, people that you believe and call. They put up their mind and heart together to form, Lord, and make a program that we can all be here together, uniting Almighty God through our faith and putting our trust in you. Our future is in your hands. We commit this time, we dedicate everything into your loving hands. This is our prayers, God, because you are a God that knows everything that is happening. The future is in your hands, and we trust in you, Lord, that you will bless everyone. Our elders, Lord, they're all sitting. They've gone through a long time, Lord, in their life. And we so blessed this morning that we can be here together through your grace and mercy in this commemoration celebration this morning. Thank you for your love and your mercy. We honor you. We give you the praises, Lord, to be yours and yours alone. In Jesus' precious name we pray. Amen. Naka.
जी हाँ, हमारे श्रोताओं सभी लोग अपने अपने धर्म, अपने मजहब अनुसार अपने अपने प्रभु परमात्मा को याद करें। चले हम सब अपने हाथ जोड़ ले और प्रार्थना करें, सिर झुका ले। परमात्मा जो कार्य यहाँ पर रची गई है, आपके आशीर्वाद हो, आपकी कृपा दृष्टि हो, परमात्मा ने आकार द्रव्यहीनता और मंगल ही परिपूर्ण हो, सभी का कल्याण हो प्रभु। गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुर् गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्मं तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपितजम्बूफलचारुभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपदपाङ्कजं श्रीविघ्नराजाय नमो नमः। स्वरमङ्गलमङ्गले शिवे सरसाधके शरणे त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते। ओम त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिं वर्धनम् उर्वारुकवन्दने मृत्योर्मुक्षेमामृतात्। ओम नमः शिवाय नमो नमः। शुक्लं वर्धनं देवं शिवर्णं विष्णुं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेयुक्ते सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये शान्तकारणं भुजं शयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेश्वरं विश्वधारणं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिविधानगमयं वन्दे विष्णुभवभयहरणं सर्वलौकिकनाथनं नीलाङ्गुश्यामलकोमलं सीतासमारो पितुवामभागं पाणो महासायक चारुचापं नमामि रामवरघुवंशनाथनं वासुदेवं स्तं देवं कंसचाणूर्णमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं श्रीकृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं मनज्वमारवतलवेगं जितेन्द्रं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुम्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। धन्यवाद श्रोताओं।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace and blessings of Almighty Allah be upon you all. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا اجتنبوا كثيرا من الظن إن بعض الظن إثم ولا تجسسوا ولا يغتب بعضكم بعضا أيحب أحدكم أن يأكل لحم أخيه ميتا فكرهتموه واتقوا الله إن الله تواب رحيم يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير صدق الله العظيم.
Thank you for blessing our event this wonderful morning. May I now request Tanisha Lal to present a bouquet to the First Lady and Arnav Raju to present a shawl to His Excellency the President.
Now we've just witnessed a really touching moment.
Ladies
Prayers
and
from the
gentlemen,
Christian, Hindu and
the
Muslim
offering
faiths
of a
reminding
shawl
us the rich
to a
diversity
guest,
that makes up
elder,
Fiji.
or
And
dignitary
also
is a time-honored
right now
gesture of
we
honor and reverence.
we
It
move
is a
into a lovely
way
moment of
of
tradition and
saying
respect.
we
We
value
see the
and
bouquet
respect you.
is being presented to the First Lady, Madam Emily Lalabalavu. Just a warm gesture of
Ladies and
welcome as she
gentlemen,
accepts it with a
is that
gracious
time
smile.
of the program where we will witness
और
a
अब
welcome
मंच पर एक
dance
भावपूर्ण
performed by
क्षण
the
आपने देखा.
students of the
माननीय
Labasa
प्रथम महिला को
Cultural
फूलों का
Center.
गुलदस्ता भेंट किया गया.
This is
ये
a
गुलदस्ता
semi-classical
प्रेम,
dance
सम्मान और
which
स्वागत की
includes
हमारी
Ganesh Vandana,
पारंपरिक भावना का प्रतीक है.
Swagatam,
रंग
and
बिरंगे
Ham
इन
Barat
फूलों में
Kehe.
छिपा है हमारा स्नेह और आदर.
Ganesh Vandana is a devotional prayer offered to Lord Ganesha, the remover
And
of
also
obstacles
they
and
gently
the god of
placed the
beginnings,
shawl
wisdom,
over
and
His
intellect.
Excellency, the President Ratu
It is
Naiqama
performed
Lalabalavu.
at the start of
Also
an event
a very
to
respectful
invoke
gesture that reflects the
divine
heart of today's
blessings.
celebration.
तो जैसा कि सेसिलिना ने कहा कि महामहिम राष्ट्रपति को शॉल पहनाकर सम्मानित किया गया. ये आदर की उस परंपरा का हिस्सा है जो हमारे गिरमिटिया पूर्वजों से हमें विरासत में मिली है. और ये शॉल सिर्फ एक वस्त्र नहीं बल्कि हमारे दिलों की गर्मजोशी और सम्मान की प्रतीक है.
Yanda redote na kia na mai bagaidur na lotu, bagaidur na masu na tolo na bombauta mepka, ninta sa mbula veidur maki, tu na nandandui bombauta, kanda wani binaka, bagaidur na masu bombauta baka Risto, bagaidur na Hindu baka kina na Islam. Sol tatunga ndo na vutu seni kau, wana First Lady Emily Lalabalavu, kapka kina ndo talangana na shawl, bayir na turang bala na presidente, ay baka binibinaka nga ni Nonda Kiko.
चुके फिर अंधेर ना हो मालिक, एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा। ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता।
सर्वांगी सुंदर उदिशेंदुराची, कंठी झळके मान मुक्ता फळांची। जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती। जय देव जय देव।
लंबोदर तू विनायका तू मल्लोणेश्वर मोरया, विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वर मोरया, भक्तितुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धि विनायका।
हो सदके मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया, मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया, तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो। तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है, सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी। दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, जीती रहो जीतती रहो। हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम एक हैं एक रहेंगे, ना बटे हैं ना बटने देंगे। हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं। अपना है दिल ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो बोल दो, ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया
जोरदार तालियों से इन बच्चियों का हम धन्यवाद दें. Give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. और जोरदार. Thank you. His Excellency, thank you very much for accepting the invitation on behalf of our Minister, Honorable Charanjit Singh. First Lady, welcome to Vanmalebu. Tui Badwata, Chief Bulabinaka, and once again welcome. Now it's our pleasure, प्यारे बहनों भाइयों, हम अपने मंत्रालय की ओर से हमारे मिनिस्टर जी ऑनरेबल चरणजीत सिंह, मिनिस्टर फॉर मल्टी एथनिक अफेयर्स और शुगर इंडस्ट्री, उनकी ओर से हम आप सबका स्वागत करते हैं और उनसे हम आग्रह करते हैं, वी रिक्वेस्ट आवर ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर टू डिलीवर हिज कीनोट एड्रेस. ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर जी.
His Excellency Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu, Nagona Turangabalai, Natu Takau, Tui Madwata, Ratu William Katrivere, the Cabinet Ministers and the Members of Parliament, members of the Diplomatic Corps, senior Girmit descendants, distinguished guests, school students, people of the friendly north of Labasa, in other parts of Vanmalebu and Tevuni. Ladies and gentlemen, also special greetings to those watching the program through the digital platform into Fiji and around abroad. Good morning, Ram Ram, Assalamu Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, and Bulasia. At the outset, I warmly welcome our chief guest this morning, His Excellency Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu, Nagona Turangabale, Natui the Cow. We are deeply honored, sir, that you have taken time from your valuable schedule to grace this important occasion with your presence. Our president is a very accomplished person. He was elected the President of the Republic of Fiji on 31st of October 2024 and inaugurated as the President of Fiji on 12th November 2024 at the State House. His Excellency, our President, is no stranger to me or to the descendants of the Girmitians. As the paramount chief of the Deccan Rove, a province renowned for its rich multicultural heritage, he heads the province where people of all races live side by side in harmony, sharing the celebrating each other's cultures and traditions. He, the President, is a 5-time parliamentarian, serving as a member of Parliament of Fiji after general elections of 1999, 2001, 2006, 2014, and 2018. Prior to joining politics, Ratu Naiqama had a long and distinguished career in native land management. On 24th December 2022, His Excellency Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu was elected as the Speaker of Parliament of the Republic of Fiji, where he served on numerous executive committees and working groups of various parliamentary associations and was an advocate for the small island developing states parliaments at the Inter-Parliamentary Union and at the parliamentary segments of the Conference of the Parties of UN Framework Convention on Climate Change. His Excellency, our President, is no stranger to me or to the descendants of these Girmitians. As a paramount chief of the Deccan, he heads a province where people of all races, as I said, lived in harmony, sharing and celebrating each other's cultures and tradition. His Excellency very much understands the values of the social cohesion and the benefits to the society like ours. For this reason, he is truly an ideal person to be our chief guest today. Vinaka Vakalebu, Your Excellency. At this juncture, I also wish to pay special tribute to all our cabinet ministers and members of parliament for graciously taking time out of their busy schedules to be with us today for this important occasion. I also welcome and thank the members of the Diplomatic Corps for accepting our invitation and making your presence here. Not forgetting my younger brother, Tui Madwata, for taking his time out to be with us. To our teachers, students, many thanks for taking time out for the holidays to be part of Girmit Day to commemorate this event. As I said at this juncture, let me first acknowledge the presence of the senior Girmit descendants who are here today. I must thank their family members for accommodating them under the very heavy weather. Girmit commemorations has a lot of significance. It is a time to remember, commemorate the sufferings that our forefathers went through, a time to reflect on the past, ensuring that their struggles and sacrifices are not forgotten. I believe the best way to commemorate Girmit is to recollect its significance and how it has allowed us to contribute to our personal and professional growth and to the development of our beloved nation. Given the fact that the Girmit descendants have contributed tremendously to the prosperity of Fiji, their unwavering commitments to the inclusiveness and multiracialism should be recognized. They symbolize people who are more than willing to unite and take Fiji to greater heights as they've done since 1879. In conclusion, I wish to state that the descendants of the Girmitians have contributed a lot to this beloved nation. In return, Fiji has also given us many opportunities to prove ourselves to succeed in so many fields. On the occasion of Girmit commemoration, keeping in line with the theme, preserving the past and envisioning the future, as a descendant of Girmitians, I offer my commitment to this nation with open arms. I assure all of us that the same commitment and the vision is for our beloved nations. Once again, I wish to thank you all for being part of this important event. I wish to especially thank our chief guest, His Excellency the President of Fiji, for gracing this occasion. To the people of North and those joining via radio, TV, and online platforms, I am sure that all of you will enjoy the festivities. Our Girmit committee has done a wonderful work, and I welcome you all to enjoy this every performance. Once again, thanks to be part of our program of this morning. Thank you, Vinaka Vakalevu, and Dhanyawad.
Vinaka Vakalevu, Honorable Minister. I would like to now welcome our chief guest, the President of the Republic of Fiji, Nangone Turangambale na Tuidakau, His Excellency Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu, to deliver his keynote address. Vinaka.
हमारे प्रेसिडेंट जी का जो कीनोट एड्रेस है होने जा रहा है और आप सबका हम एक बार फिर स्वागत करते हैं। मौसम खराब होने के बावजूद भी इतनी तादाद में आप सब आए हैं, आप सबका तहे दिल से स्वागत है। It's time for us to hear His Excellency, the President of Fiji. Thank you.
Thank you. Bolovina'a, you all. Your Excellency, the former President, Ratu William Katunivere, and the former First Lady, who is sitting here with us, the Honorable Cabinet Ministers, and Assistant Ministers, the Honorable Leader of the Opposition and Honorable Members of Parliament, Your Excellencies and members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, young and students, fellow citizens, Nisambula Binaka, Namaste, and Assalamu alaikum, and good morning to you all. I would like to begin by acknowledging the traditional owners As alluded to by the Madam MC, especially the traditional owners of the land on which we gather today. Ki wasabulu wa naturanga na tui Labasa. I pay my respects to their chiefs, both past and present, and as well as the emerging leaders and members of the Vanua of Wasuvulu. I acknowledge their role in caring for the Vanua. It would be remiss of me if I don't acknowledge once again the Turana Maduata and former President, His Excellency Ratu Naiqama, and also not forgetting the Turanga Tumbua, Ratu Makutu Nangangavoka, who together host communities who have established and made their home in Vunolevu over 4 to 5 generations. To our fellow citizens joining us this morning via radio, television, and live streaming, Nisambula Vinaka. I welcome your interest and enthusiasm in joining today's celebration of the arrival of the Girmitia in Fiji. I warmly welcome you all this morning, in particular those here from abroad and Fijians who have traveled to Labasa from other parts of our beloved Fiji. Distinguished guests and my fellow citizens, it is with immense honor and a profound sense of duty that I come before you today to open the commemoration of the arrival of the Girmitia 146 years ago. This moment also provides an opportunity for us to reflect on our collective vision for our beloved nation. A vision centered on progress, prosperity, and most important of all is our unity. I quote the peace activist and social advocate and leader of the non-violent protests, Mahatma Gandhi, who said, and I quote, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." This sentiment encapsulates our responsibility to shape the future of our beloved nation by fostering a society that is just, equitable, and resilient. As a nation, we must work together in unity, ensuring that no one is left behind in our quest for economic growth, national security, prosperity, and most important of all, our sustainable development. The world today faces rapid changes, economic shifts, and climate changes that test our resolve. But we are a nation built on resilience, unity, and indomitable spirit. Our Honorable Prime Minister advocates the concept of the ocean of peace, which upholds fundamental values and Pacific regionalism, uniting our history with our shared future. The ocean of peace strengthens our collective response to climate change, the greatest threat to our existence, and also our security and well-being, as recognized by our Pacific leaders. Let us take a moment to recognize the resilience and strength of our people and to pay tribute to our founding fathers, our past leaders, and all those who contributed to the development of Fiji today. In particular, we honor the Girmitia and members of all our communities, including Melanesians and other Pacific Islanders, who have contributed to the nation's development. We also honor the chiefs and the people who shared their lands and resources to enable us all to prosper as one. In today's celebration, of the sacrifices and contributions of the Girmitia and their descendants is a special day in our history. "146 years ago, in May 1879, the first indentured laborers from the British India to Fiji arrived from Calcutta, India, on the Leonidas, a labor transportation ship. That initial voyage left Calcutta in March 1979, transporting, maybe I have the dates wrong here. This is 1979. 1879, thank you. Transporting 498 Indian indentured laborers. Ladies and gentlemen, 17 of them died of cholera and smallpox before the ship reached Fiji. Another 15 had died while quarantined on Anuda Lailai. Of the 498 who boarded the Calcutta, only 463 set foot in our first capital of Levuka. They were the first of over 61,000 to arrive from the Indian subcontinent over the following 37 years. Their labor contracts or agreements, which became better known as the Girmit, bound them to strenuous labor on sugar plantations under very, very harsh conditions. The arrival of the Girmitiers 146 years ago followed that of the Melanesians, who were blackbirded to Fiji under the Pacific labor trade, and where thousands were moved around the Pacific, Australia, Fiji, and New Caledonia, and Samoa between 1874 and 1911. 27,027 contracts of indigenous laborers were entered into by the Melanesian people in Fiji between 1864 and 1911, and several thousand remained after the labor trade to Fiji was abolished in 1911. History shows that the trade in laborers under the indentured system was made by coercion, deceit, and broken promises, masked in the language of opportunity and prosperity. Many were enticed through false assurances and ambiguous agreements which they did not fully comprehend. The indentured system in Fiji was formally abolished in 1916. It marked the end of a dark chapter in our history, but the beginning of an even greater legacy. By then, many of those who choose to remain in Fiji, making this their land, their paramount home, and today I recognize their contribution to today's Fiji development. Their descendants have inherited this work ethic and are today among Fiji's most dynamic contributors in all economic sectors. They've infused our national identity with their cultural heritage, music, cuisine, and cultural festivals. Fiji today is a unique, multicultural, multilingual, multi-religious, and multi-ethnic nation in the Pacific. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to acknowledge Honorable Charanjit Singh and his family, and who are renowned for their economic contribution in Labasa and throughout Fiji. I also acknowledge the renowned academic, the late Professor Bridge Lal, who wrote extensively about the indentured system in Fiji. The late Professor Lal devoted his life to research and contributed greatly to the literature on the Girmit experience, as well as Fiji's history. He suffered a painful travel ban and died in exile. I thank the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Rambuka, and the coalition government for facilitating the repatriation of his remains to his beloved Tamia in 2023. There are many such individuals who made not only Punolevu, but all of us proud. We remain grateful for their contributions, and I commend the coalition government for its commitment to honoring this legacy. The formal recognition of the Girmit Day as a national public holiday is a bold and necessary step, one that enshrines the significance of the Girmitia story in our national consciousness. This year's theme, preserving the past and envisioning the future, is both profound and timely. It reminds us that memory is not a burden, but a beacon of hope. By honoring the struggles and achievements of the past, we find the wisdom and strength to chart a future rooted in unity, reconciliation, and shared progress. I commend the Ministry of Multi-Ethnic Affairs and the leadership of Honorable Charanjit Singh for its visionary work. The Ministry has advanced initiatives that honor our past while embracing the promise of tomorrow. I've been told by the Honorable Minister that this would probably be the last of such functions being held to commemorate Girmitia Day, simply because he feels that the result of this commemoration is best achieved through going right down to the people, enjoying that moment with the people, and trying to ensure that projects are undertaken that benefits the grassroots people of our beloved nation. At the same token, the Ministry is developing gas crematoriums across key regions and has commended the vital task of digitizing the Girmit records. And I hope to remind the Honorable Minister that our fellow citizens on the Isles of Tabuini will not be forgotten for this great venture, especially on crematoriums. Let me share at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, this is a new development in our society. Fijians and other races who made Fiji their own homeland, as apart from our Indian descendants, we've opted for this new way of burial, where we cremate the past lives of people that have made that choice by way of going through crematorium. This is a long overdue project, and I hope with these crematoriums and the digitizing of Girmit records, it will preserve our immigration documents and related materials for posterity. These efforts reflect the Ministry's unwavering mandate to nurture social cohesion and build a peaceful and inclusive Fiji. The task is not easy, as our history at times have been difficult and complex, but our shared commitment to live happily side by side stands us in good stead. I am moved by the initiative to honor Girmitia descendants aged 85 years and above. This recognition recognizes their contribution to our beloved nation. In reviewing the program for this 3-day celebration, I commend the cultural performance, including folk music from the school children and women's groups and religious organizations and local artists. To undertake the dances that were performed here just a while ago, it's difficult. Because with the Indian type of folk dancing, it takes a lot of training to want to master the movements, including the body language, right down to the fingers and the placing of the foot whilst engaged in the dance. I'm sorry to be sharing this, Honorable Charanjit Singh. I was educated amongst our Indian brethren in Dudley High School. And at times we were given performances by my fellow students. It took them a while to master the movements and how graceful it is when they perform it after mastering the movement in the dances. I hope we will stand together in upholding values of respect, inclusivity, love, and compassion. Let us foster a nation where economic opportunity thrives, social justice prevails, and security is assured for every citizen. The choices we make today will shape the destiny of our future generations. Together, we will build a Fiji that stands tall among nations, a Fiji that is strong, sustainable, and full of promise. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my duty and great honor to declare the Girmit commemoration officially open. May we remember and be rejoiced. May God bless Fiji and her people. Vinaka, Shukriya, and Dhanyavad. Vinaka.
Once more, round of applause for His Excellency the President, please. Ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां हमारे राष्ट्रपति के लिए. Thank you. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for your words of wisdom. Binakavaklehu. It's indeed the wisdom, the foresight that your message has carried about solidarity, the major ethnic groups getting together for prosperity and economic growth of this country. The insight of the coalition's government to get the things moving together, the past of that we intend to preserve and envisioning the future is the theme of this event. Girmit's story of perseverance, sacrifice, जितने भी बलिदान हमारे पूर्वजों ने किए हैं, उन सब को याद करते हुए ये 3 दिवसीय समारोह है. और इसके साथ में सरकार को भी धन्यवाद. His Excellency, thank you very much for acknowledging the work done by Ministry of Multi-Ethnic Affairs, Honorable Minister, and the team, especially for cremation programs in both the main islands and including Tivuni. So thank you once again, Binaka, His Excellency. Ladies and gentlemen, अब हम आगे बढ़े एक और cultural program. There is another cultural program that is coming up. This performance is called Jugalbandi. Actually, it is a fusion of combination of tabla and as well as lali with the Indian music, His Excellency. It's a fusion that is coming, symbolizing the 2 major cultural music that will happen. We welcome Vimlesh Prasad, Seriana, Trisha Narayan to come up with this program from Cultural Center. Zordar talia in kalakaron ke liye. Thank you very much. जब तक कि ये तैयार हो रहे हैं, we also got the judges to decide the best floats that we have. That will be declared towards end of the program कि कौन से विजेता हुए हैं. The best floats, first, second, third, I suppose, will be declared, and that will be towards the end of the program. After this, जब तक कि ये तैयार हो रहे हैं, उनके बाद में फिर oratory contest होगा, और फिर जो हमारे पूर्वज के जो descendants है, the descendants over here, over 85 years, you will be acknowledged and you will be presented the plaque by Tui Maduata, Ratu Katanivere, and as well as with our Minister, Honorable Charanjit Singh द्वारा उनको सम्मानित किया जाएगा. Thank you. एक बार फिर जोरदार तालियां बहनों भाइयों, गिव देम अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज। विमलेश प्रसाद, सरियाना, त्रिशा और उनके साथियों को। They are from Labasa Cultural Center Youth Group के. Now it's our time that we would like to call upon Tui Madhuata and as well as our Honorable Minister to acknowledge and present the plaque to the descendants of Girmit. जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर हैं, we request you, sir, to take a lead to the main VIP lounge पर, और वहाँ पर जितने भी हमारे जो descendants हैं, उनको हम लोग plaque
live. Now, if you're just joining us, well, we're live from Subrail Park in Labasa, where we're marking the 146th Girmit commemoration with the theme Preserving the Past, Envisioning the Future. And looking around, it's heartwarming to see the third and fourth generation of Girmit descendants here. Well, as you can see, even with the rain, they've come out in numbers today, just, you know, dressed with pride and honoring the legacy of their ancestors.
और अभी आपने देखा जो जुगलबंदी प्रस्तुत की गई मंच पर, वो वाकई दर्शनीय रही। भारतीय तबला और फिजी की पारंपरिक लाली के साथ साथ भारतीय और फिजियन नृत्य ने इस प्रस्तुति को और भी विशेष बना दिया। ये केवल दो वाद्य यंत्रों का संगम नहीं था, बल्कि ये दो संस्कृतियों के हृदय स्पर्शी मेल का प्रतीक बन गया। और कलाकारों ने नृत्य और संगीत के माध्यम से जो भावनाएं प्रस्तुत की, उसने दर्शकों को एक अनोखी अनुभूति दी।
Ia tataka ninda raiva na vika voga duritiko e na raralevo na Subrail Park mai Labasa e na nonda bona numi ravobi na bana tiko we na kandara girmitia ai ka vasanga bulu kawana ni mbaki ni kena bona numi tiko e na nonda aya do mai ramendo lava na turanga na presidente ni nonda mati ni tu oni turanga bale na fitu kau karandola tiko na nonda bossa ia e na ngunungo and sa rede tiko na turanga na Tui Madhuata na itau ke mbola tangani Ratu Williame mai valili katu ni vere era mai solitiko na ibobe ni benaka veira ton veira era samba ke walu sanga bulu kalima lavake oira na non kawa na girmitia karsambula tiko en ngongo mai solitiko na ibobe ni benaka veira ena dhaulevu era mai vaka dora ena non de banua ada sava kela pela kena benaka endo na tiki ni programo karsava itabitiki na naturanga na Tui Madhuata ni toke mbola tangane ka salmuri rato mai na turang na minista ni abe matatamate na nonda vanua kena suka Honorable Charanjit Singh.
That's right, Maliki. We've well, now come to one of the most touching parts of today's celebration, the presentation of awards to the descendants of the Girmitiers. It's a proud moment, especially as we recognize members of our community who are 80 years and older. Now, this gesture is just a way of honoring their direct connection to the original Girmitiers, those who laid the foundation for so many of the families. And well, it's just a time to pause and appreciate the strength, the stories, the sacrifices of those who came before us. And well, with the presentation of awards is done by none other than the former president of Fiji, Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu.
तो जैसा कि सेसलीना ने कहा, अब उन महान गिरमिट वंशजों को सम्मानित किया जा रहा है जिन्होंने समाज और संस्कृति के क्षेत्र में अहम योगदान दिया है। ये एक भावुक पल है जब इतिहास को वर्तमान में सराहा जा रहा है और शॉल पहनाकर हमारे देश के भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति रातू विलियामे कतोनी वेरे इनको सम्मानित कर रहे हैं। और जब ये सम्मान आप देख ही रहे हैं, आपको बता दें कि अभी कुछ क्षण पहले महामहिम राष्ट्रपति रातू नाइकामा लालाबालावु ने अपने भाषण में एक महत्वपूर्ण घोषणा की। उन्होंने कहा कि गिरमिट रिकॉर्ड्स का डिजिटलीकरण किया जाएगा। ये एक ऐतिहासिक पहल होगी जिससे आने वाली पीढ़ियां अपने पूर्वजों की जानकारी ऑनलाइन प्राप्त कर सकेगी। गिरमिट की यात्रा सिर्फ इतिहास नहीं, एक आत्मा है और इन दस्तावेज़ों का संरक्षण डिजिटल रूप में उस आत्मा को जीवित रखने का एक सार्थक प्रयास है। ये घोषणा न सिर्फ शोधकर्ताओं और परिवारों के लिए उपयोगी होगी, बल्कि ये हमारी सामूहिक विरासत के संरक्षण की दिशा में भी एक मील का पत्थर साबित होगी।
Yandir Sara ngona podir loloma non ramai bobi ne benate tiko oirana sangase rambaki walsanga bulu kalima la kova kengo na ndonga na ai bogo bine benake beira ena be kai ramai boga thora ena nondo benua keira na nondo kawa mekani na maro tete na tong singa rote ni ndona rau lima sanga bulu oirana kawa ga girmit erna solitiko beira na iboka bine benake vakongo kapaka idhoritiko mai Labasa. Era oso ringi toka na len vanua en dare de toma de tiko na kena bo idhoritiko en dona meke ngo giri toka na kena lali ka kena nona rayani giri na kandonga na girmit. Nida sama imbula be idhurumaki en da marra na nonde tobo na nonde valapala ka kena en dona wasongo en dona songo era oso ringi eden kena na len vanua Ave mata tamasakani and another banua and sambu maimbula vidurmaki.
That's right, Miliki. Well, we spoke about the cultural, the stunning cultural performance, that blended with the old and new in just perfect harmony of the tabla and lali, and moving on from the presentation of awards, as outlined in the program. After this, we'll have the group photo and also the oratory by the students.
तो महामहिम राष्ट्रपति रातू नैंगामा ललम्बलावु ने आज के कार्यक्रम में एक और बहुत ही आत्मीय और दिल को छू लेने वाली बात कही। इन्होंने कहा कि जब उन्होंने भारतीय छात्रों द्वारा प्रस्तुत स्वागत नृत्य देखा तो उन्हें अपने स्कूली दिनों की याद आ गई। उन्होंने बताया कि वे डडली हाई स्कूल में पढ़े थे और वहाँ उन्होंने अपने भारतीय साथियों से भारतीय नृत्य भी सीखा था और उन्होंने हल्की सी मुस्कान लिए ये स्वीकार किया कि इस नृत्य को सीखना आसान नहीं था, उसे साधना पड़ता है, समर्पण और अभ्यास चाहिए। तो ये एक बहुत ही सुंदर उदाहरण है हमारे राष्ट्रपति के विनम्रता का और ये भी दर्शाता है कि कैसे फिजी की विभिन्न संस्कृतियां मिलकर एक साझा पहचान बनाती है।
ये ndare na bika volei toka en vatu ka solibeira uira sangase e bo bini mana tikitunga na non retavi na non radau ohira na non rangase era lakumai en mbakioyae en non reada mai kinon bunua mai na tinika walu bitu sanga bulu kadio kubungu beira rambula tiga ngongo tala no takatiko na beka randonu ya oira na non rangase kanta boni benaka ni likitiki ni songo era tiko talanga na be bagalislesia dakeni no mate ni tu rambola kitik tal tunga ni songo be kani da raider tiko na turang na ibu ni minister ni bebo tordekta ki na tondang ni korle lebu honorable Chavesa Bodea ratiko talanga na ibu ni minister ni tete honorable Thomas Tunambuna ratiko talanga na ibu ni minister non bola na ililo ni no mate ni tu honorable Sakius Tumbuna karatiko talanga na turang na minister for policing honorable Iowani Naivalurua era lekitiko ena songo bimbiongo lagi bandilin din tikitu na vikay so elewena tu na program ni singin ko era bosa tiko na turang na presidente ni no matri tu kaya ni saraba toka na meke to meke taka na lewni Labasa cultural center era varita ni oire rabul tran don kornibuli rabuli be durma kirna kando ko na India don era bobe na taka non dobuli na meke kai mekin rendre ya me mani ko ni saraba era bobe na taki na kena maroi me kanga ni kena kautiko menda maroi na bikasa dalaksibita na bikasa sibi kana ngai raya ni kili.
Honorable Minister for Multi-Ethnic Affairs and Sugar Industry, Sir former President of Fiji, Tui Madhuwata Sir, distinguished guest, respected panel of judges, my fellow orators and ladies and gentlemen, Bula Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum and Ni Hao to one and all. Today we gather on a sacred ground of memory and legacy. We stand here not just to remember history, but to honor those who had carried courage in their hearts, pain in their hands, hope in their eyes, the Girmitias. A powerful theme that speaks both to our hearts and in our hopes is preserving the past, envisioning the future is more than just words to me. It is a mission of memory, and most importantly, it carries responsibility. To preserve the past is to remember the stories of those who were once voiceless. It is to honor their resilience, their sacrifices, and their unshakable will. It is to keep their songs, their festivals, and their values alive, not just in books, but in our homes and in our hearts. On May 14, 1879, breaking all the obstacles from the Indian Ocean to the Pacific Ocean, Leonidas, being the first out of all the 87 ships that brought 463 out of 60,965 Girmitiers to Fiji. Men, women, children, tired, afraid, but brave. They came in nothing except hope. Our ancestors weren't just laborers. They were warriors of survival, taken from India under endangered systems, promised gold but given chains. They worked on sugar fields, not for wealth but for dignity. Their sweat touched this land. Their tears built this road. Their voices silenced, but their spirit was unbreakable. Through struggle, they rose. Through oppression, they united. Through hardship, they built. They preserved their language, culture, food, song, and faith, so that generations of ours will never forget who we are, where we come from, and what we stand for. This is the legacy we preserve. My name is Jane Sapphire Singh, and I am from Bethel Primary School, and I am the future of tomorrow. A future where we rise not only from the strength of our ancestors, but from the power of our unity. A future where the voices of our ancestors echo through the achievements of our youths. A future where culture and progress walks hand in hand. A future that honors diversity, demands equality, and builds opportunities for all. According to the 2017 census, I am proud to say that I am part of the 289,237 Indo-Fijian population that calls Fiji our home and our pride. Let's teach the nations not only the names of the Girmitiers, but the values they've embodied, their resilience, their sacrifices, and their unbreakable will to rise above. Let's preserve our heritage, not as relics in a museum, but as living, breathing stories we carry into our classrooms, workplaces, and community halls. This is not just oratory. It is a promise that we, the children of today, will never forget. The footsteps that brought us here, the stories that shaped our homes, we are the voice of their journey. And with that voice, we will build a future. Vinaka Vakalavu, Dhanewad, and may we all walk forward, rooted in pride and raising with purpose. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jane Sapphire Singh, for your inspiring oratory this wonderful morning. I would like to now call upon Vinishka Dutt, Year 8 of St. Mary Primary School, to deliver their oratory. Vinaka.
हर दर की गूंज, हर खुशी का रंग, इनसे ही तो है हमारी जड़ों का संग। भविष्य की ओर बढ़ाते नए सपनों की ओर, पर अतीत की राहों को न बुलाते हम कभी और। Before I dwell on the theme, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Vinishka Dutt. I am from Wangili Labasa in the province of Maduwata and share my links to Seba di Baturoba in the province of Takanrobe. The Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu, the President of Fiji, Sir. the First Lady, ma'am, Minister for Multi-Ethnic Affairs and Minister for Sugar, Honorable Charanjit Singh, invited guests, fellow orators, ladies and gentlemen, Meu Sambulasia, Namaste, Assalamualaikum, and a very good morning to you all. Today, I stand before you all to talk on the topic, preserving the past and envisioning the future. Girmit Day stands as a solemn reminder of the journey undertaken by indentured laborers from India who were brought to places like Fiji under British colonial between 1879 and 1916. These Girmitians unimaginable hardships, leaving behind their homeland in search of more opportunities but more exploitation and isolation. Yet from this painful past, emerged a resilient community that preserved its culture, language, and identity against all odds. Today, as we honor the legacy, Girmit Day invites us not only to reflect on this history, but to envision a future rooted in unity, culture, pride, and justice. It is a call to educate new generation, strengthen multicultural harmony, and ensure that the sacrifices of the past serve as a guiding light for a more inclusive and compassionate society. Makan dinani araw-araw nararawa, namosi ay nayaluma, erala aduruma na tumbunda. गिरमिट की कहानी सिर्फ दर्द और तकलीफ की नहीं है, बल्कि ये ऐसी कहानी है जो साहस, जीवन संघर्ष और ऐसे लोगों की अटूट आत्मा दर्शाती है जिन्होंने संघर्ष को अपनी शक्ति बना लिया। जब हम उनकी यात्रा को याद करते हैं तो आए उनके मूल्यांकन को आगे बढ़ाए। विभिन्नता में एकता, कातिल मेहनत में गरिमा और अपनी विरासत पर गर्व। उनकी कुर्बानियां हमें एक ऐसे भविष्य रचने के लिए प्रेरित करें जो न्यायपूर्ण हो, ज्यादा दयालु हो और हमेशा सच्चाई संघर्ष में जड़ से जुड़ा रहे। The Girmit Day celebration, and as we sit in the comforts of our homes, classrooms, and workplace, we must always remember their hardships. And as we gather here today to celebrate our rich heritage and envision a brighter future, let us remember the importance of our roots. Our past is not just a collection of memories, it is the foundation upon which we build our homes. Once Mahatma Gandhi has said in Hindi, I quote, "अतीत के धरोहर को सहेजना, भविष्य की नींव रखना है." In English, it means preserving the past that lays the foundation for the future. Before I take my seat, let us honor our history, learn from it, and carry it forward as we strive to create our future filled with hope and promise. We can ensure that the legacy of our ancestors continues to inspire generations to come. Thank you. Vina Avalevu, Dhanyawad.
Vinakavakalevu Vinish Kadat for your inspiring and powerful message that you have delivered for us this morning. I would like to now call upon Sashni Sarnima Prasad, Year 8 of Gurumnak Primary School.
माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदय रातू नैगामा ललमबलावु, बहुजातीय और चीनी उद्योग के मंत्री माननीय चरणजीत सिंह, अन्य मंत्रीगण, उपस्थित न्यायाधीश मंडल तथा मेरे साथी वक्तागण, आप सभी को मेरा सादर प्रणाम। आज मैं आपके समक्ष अतीत का सारांश, भविष्य की कल्पना, इस महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर मैं अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। हमारा अतीत हमारी जड़ें हैं और भविष्य हमारे सपनों का आकाश। यदि हम अपने अतीत की विरासत को संभाल कर रखेंगे तो हम एक उज्जवल और मजबूत भविष्य की नींव रख सकते हैं। अतीत को संजोए रखना, भविष्य की कल्पना करना। जो अपनी जड़ों को समझता है वही ऊंचाइयों तक उड़ान भर सकता है। अतीत की सीख, भविष्य की सोच, यही सच्ची प्रगति है पहचान की। अतीत हमारी पहचान, हमारी शक्ति। अतीत केवल बीते हुए कल की किताब नहीं है, या हमारी जड़ें हैं, हमारी आत्मा है, हमारी संस्कृति का सार है। यही अतीत हमें बताता है कि हम कहाँ से आए हैं और किन संघर्षों से गुजर कर यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं। एक, अतीत में छुपे हैं हमारे पूर्वजों के बलिदान। 2, उनकी कहानियाँ, उनके मूल्य। 3, वो परंपरा जो हमें इंसान से बेहतर इंसान बनाते हैं। अगर कोई पेड़ अपनी जड़ें से कट जाए तो क्या वह खड़ा रह सकता है? जी नहीं। ठीक उसी तरह अगर हम अपने अतीत से कट जाए तो भविष्य में टिक नहीं पाएंगे। परंतु क्या केवल अतीत में जीना पर्याप्त है? जी नहीं, क्योंकि यदि हम केवल इतिहास की कहानियाँ में उलझे रहेंगे तो आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे। इसीलिए अब बात करते हैं उस शक्ति की जिससे सपने साकार होते हैं। भविष्य की कल्पना। भविष्य वह सपना जो आज से शुरू होता है। भविष्य कोई जादू नहीं जो अचानक घटेगा। भविष्य वह बीज है जिसे आज बोया जाए, कल सींचा जाए और परसों फल के रूप में सामने आता है। हमारे विज्ञान, शिक्षक, तकनीक, पर्यावरण चेतना और सामाजिक सोच, यही सब मिलकर उस भारत को गाढ़ते हैं जिसका सपना कलाम सर ने देखा था। एक ऐसा देश, 1, जहाँ परंपरा हो, 2, जहाँ प्रगति हो, 3, जहाँ मूल्य हो और 4, जहाँ नवाचार भी हो। अतीत और भविष्य के बीच पुल है वर्तमान, और इन दोनों अतीत और भविष्य के बीच खड़ा होता है वर्तमान। यही वह समय है जब हमें निर्णय लेना होता है कि हम क्या सहेंजे, क्या छोड़े और क्या रचे। यदि हमने अतीत से प्रेरणा लेकर वर्तमान में सही दिशा चुनी तो भविष्य निश्चित रूप से उज्जवल होगा। विकास वही सच्चा होता है और जिसमें परंपरा की खुशबू और नवाचार की रोशनी साथ चलती है। कुछ प्राणदायक उदाहरण। 1, जब गांधी जी ने चक्र चलाया वो थी परंपरा, अतीत की परंपरा, लेकिन उस पर आधारित था आत्मनिर्भर भारत का सपना, भविष्य की कल्पना। 2, जब कलाम सर ने स्पेस और मिसाइल को अग्रणी बनाया तो उन्होंने अतीत की ताकत को विज्ञान के पंख देकर उड़ान दी। 3, जब आज का एक विद्यार्थी अपने दादा दादी से कहानियाँ सुनता है और उसी प्रेरणा से वैज्ञानिक या कलाकार बनने का सपना देखता है, वो है अतीत और भविष्य के बीच एक सुंदर यात्रा। वो हमें क्या करना है? हमें चाहिए कि 1, हम अतीत की जड़ों से पोषण लें, 2, वर्तमान में कर्मशील रहे, 3, और भविष्य के लिए एक ऐसा नींव रखे जिससे आशा, विकास और मूल्य सब शामिल हो। हम फिजी के भारतीय जिन्होंने अपने पूर्वजों की मेहनत, संस्कृति और परंपराओं को संजोए कर रखा है। हमने अपनी अतीत की विरासत से प्रेरणा लेकर आज के समय में एक मजबूत पहचान बनाई है। अब हम बात करते हैं उस विरासत के बल पर एक उज्जवल और समृद्ध भविष्य की कल्पना कर रहे हैं, जहां हमारी संस्कृति भी जारी रहे और हमारी प्रगति भी जीवित रहे। अतीत को संजोए भविष्य को संवारे, अतीत को संजोए भविष्य को संवारे हम फिजी के गौरवशाली भारतीय। अंत में मैं यही कहूँगी, जो अतीत को दीपक बना लेता है उसका भविष्य कभी अंधकार में नहीं जाता। आज जड़ों से जुड़कर शाखाओं की ओर मोड़े ताकि आने वाली पीढ़ियां कह सके कि हमने उसे कुछ अमूल्य दिया। जय फिजी। धन्यवाद।
Vinakavakalevu, Ms. Prasad. And our lucky last orator for this morning, I would like to call upon Anish Maharaj, Year 8 of Gurnek Primary School.
The chief guest, His Excellency Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu, the President of Fiji. Honorable Charanjit Singh, Minister for Multi-Ethnic Affairs and Sugar Industry, other ministers present here today, panel of judges, my dear fellow orators, and ladies and gentlemen. Today, I invite you to embark on a journey that connects our yesterdays with our tomorrows, a journey where the echoes of the past meet the promises of the future. In a world that moves ever faster, where the new often seem to outshine the old, we must pause and remember. Our future is rooted in the soil of our past. Marcus Garvey once said, "A people without the knowledge of their past history, origin, and culture is like a tree without its roots." Imagine a tree stripped of its roots. It may stand for a moment, but without nourishment, it withers and falls. So too with us. Our history, our traditions, our relics, they are not relics to be discarded. They are the roots that anchor us. They are the compass that gives directions to our wandering hearts. Preserving the past is not merely about remembering. It is about honoring. It is about listening to the voices who build bridges across raging rivers, who dared to dream when dreams were so dangerous, who wrote, who fought, who loved, so that we might live freer, wiser, and stronger. It is in the ancient libraries where the wisdom of civilization rests. It is in the crumbling walls of old cities where courage is etched into stone. It is in the songs, the dances, the rituals, the prayers, reminders of where we come from and who we are. Winston Churchill once wisely remarked, "The further back you are likely to look, the further forward you are likely to see." History is not a weight, it is a wing. If we dare to learn from it, it lifts us. If we dare to honor it, it strengthens us. Yet, honoring the past does not mean being trapped by it. We must remember, while the past is our foundation, the future is our frontier. John F. Kennedy told us, "Change is the law of life, and those who look only to the past or present are certain to miss the future." If we only gaze backward, if we only cling to what was, we risk becoming monuments ourselves, still, unchanging, silent, while the world moves on without us. To envision the future is to have the audacity to dream what has never been seen. It is to imagine cities powered by clean energies, cities that nourish not just minds but spirits, societies built not on division but unity. The past provides wisdom, the future demands vision. The scientists who cure diseases, the artists who paint new worlds, the leaders who break ground. All these pioneers stand at the intersection of memory and imagination. Remember the lessons of those who came before, and they dare to dream beyond them. We must be no different. In our hands, we hold the fragile gift of history and the infinite potential of the future. We must teach our children not just to memorize dates, but to understand stories. But we must write books that speak both of what has been and what could be. We must be bridges, not barriers, bridges between centuries, cultures, and generations. Because ultimately, what we preserve and what we create are not separate tasks. They are one and the same. They are acts of love, acts of hope. As Mahatma Gandhi wisely said, the future depends on what you do today. Today, we must sow seeds of remembrance and innovation. Today, we must honor our past and ignite our future. So let us walk forward, eyes wide open, hearts full of memories, souls blazing with visions. Let us preserve the past. Let us envision the future. Let us be the ancestors we will one day be proud of. Wishing everyone a meaningful and joyous Girmit commemoration. May we honor the strength, sacrifice, and legacy of our Girmit ancestors with pride and unity. Happy Girmit Day to everyone. Thank you.
Vinakavakalevu Andriav Anish Maharaj for your powerful message that you have shared with us this wonderful morning. We extend our sincere gratitude to all the student orators who have shared their powerful voices with us. Your words have not only honored the legacy of the Girmit years, but also reminded us of our shared responsibility to preserve their history and carry forward their dreams. I would like to now call upon the Acting Permanent Secretary, Ms. Reshmi Kumari, to award our orators this morning. And may I also call the 4 orators to come up on stage, please. Jane Sapphire Singh. Jane Sapphire Singh, Year 8 of Bethel Primary School. Vinish Kadat, Year 8 of St. Mary Primary School. Susani Surnima Prasad, Year 8 of Gurunak Primary School. Anirav Anish Maharaj, Year 8 of Gurunak Primary School. While the orators receive their trophies, I would also like to call upon the float managers to please also make your way up on stage. Vinakavakalevu, Madam PS.
Thank you very much, Faye. Once again, round of applause for all those orators, please. We call upon all the float management team or the organizers of the float, if you could come forward, please. It has been a very difficult task for the judges to declare the winners. We would like Labasa Cultural Center, Brothers Hudda Tasa Musical Club, Sri Sanatan Dharam Pratinidhi Sabha of Fiji, Nari Sabha, Sugarcane Growers Fund, Sugar Research Institute of Fiji, Fiji Rice, Ministry of Agriculture, Combine, South Pacific Fertilizer, Sugarcane Growers Council, Labasa, Cane Producers Association, and Gwalbal Bhartiya Ramayan Mandali to come forward, please. It has been a difficult task, and the themes and the narrations behind as to how the floats have been decorated has been a difficult task for the judges to decide on. We would like, there are consolation prizes and trophies for 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 float organizers, which consist of the trophies. For 3, 2, 1, it combines with a cash prize of $200, $300, and $400. There is also a special recognition for a float that signifies something unique about Girmit and so forth. That's how the committee has come up. We would like first the Brothers Hudda Tasa Musical Club representative to come forward, please, and we request Honorable Minister to present the consolation prize. Members of Brothers Hudda Tasa Club, please. Yeah, please pass to the Honorable Minister. So you remain there. श्री सनातन धर्म प्रतिनिधि सभा नारी सभा के सदस्य नारी सभा के after Nari Sabha, Sugarcane Growers Fund, Sugar Research Institute of Fiji, if you can come forward, please. Fiji Rice, Ministry of Agriculture. ठीक है, Ministry of Agriculture से Ministry of Agriculture, sir. Thank you. Sri Sanatan Dharam Nari Pratinidhi Sabha? Already taken? Okay. Ji, aa rahi. Sugarcane Growers Fund, Sugar Research, Fiji Rice, Sugar Research Institute. Thank you. Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. Kui Madhwata, sir, whether you would like to come forward and do rest of, please? It's Fiji rice anyway, Kui Madhwata. Sir, thank you very much. Fiji rice. Sugarcane Growers Fund. Thank you. Thank you very much. Sir, the third one too will be great to be given by you. The third winner is Combined South Pacific Fertilizers Sugarcane Growers Council, and there is a cash envelope too for them. And there is a cash of $200 for the combined. Please come forward. Congratulations, Coach. Great. One more by you, sir. The second winner that has been declared by the judges is Fiji Sugar Corporation. Round of applause for them. FSC, they receive a trophy and a cash of $300. Thank you very much. Thank you. Madam President, it's our honor to call you up to present it to the winners, and as well as the unique prize that has been. The winner for the float declared by the committee is Gwal Bal Parvati Ramayan Mandli. They received the trophy and as well as $400 cash. Round of applause, please. जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए. बधाई हो आपको. Gwal Bal means small kids and the combination of everyone. So they are. It's a gumja. ठीक है. मोहर पहिर के आया. पाजी पहिरा कि सब रोज पहिरता है. That's the sobering they wear, but they hardly wear. I think they have worn it today just to show it. Huh? Okay. Congratulations. You are the winners. Thank you. Madam, you be there. There is one. Thank you. Oh, Dhanbad. There is a special award and recognition given by the committee. Thank you very much. बहुत धन्यवाद. Congratulations, madam. It's all over now. We're coming to a conclusion of our program. And ladies and gentlemen, I request the Director for Multi-Ethnic Affairs, Ms. Ashwini Singh, to come forward, please, and move the vote of thanks. Ashwini, आपसे हम आग्रह करते हैं कि आए धन्यवाद के शब्द कहने के लिए. धन्यवाद.
The President of Republic of Fiji, His Excellency Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu, the Minister for Multi-Ethnic Affairs and Sugar Industry, Honorable Charanjit Singh, Cabinet Ministers and Assistant Ministers, former President Entui Madwata Ratu Viliame Katnivere, distinguished delegates, school students, ladies and gentlemen. Bula and Namaste to you all. On behalf of our Minister for Multi-Ethnic Affairs and Sugar Industry, Honorable Charanjit Singh, and the executives of the ministry, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all of you present today for the opening of this year's Girmit commemoration event. Girmit commemoration is a deeply significant occasion for all of us, as it signifies a time to reflect on the immense hardship endured by our ancestors who were brought to Fiji through the indentured labor system. It is a day to honor their resilience, sacrifice, and unwavering spirit as they face the challenges in their journey towards establishing a future for their families and for the development of this nation. This day is a moment to remember the struggles of our Girmit ancestors who toiled in the difficult conditions but ultimately paved the way for the prosperity and the development of Fiji. Their stories, passed down through the generations of Fijians of Indian descent, shaped our values, aspirations, and sacrifice by our forebears, and it continues to inspire us to honor the memory through the actions and the achievements today. The Girmit commemoration is an opportunity to raise awareness and educate our people, especially the younger generation, about the history and the significance of the Girmit era. It also provides a platform for discussion, speeches, exhibitions, and cultural performances that showcase the experiences of the indentured laborers and their lasting impact on the Fijian society. This event highlights the courage, determination, and resilience of the Girmitians and serves as an inspiration for all of us to continue working towards a more just and equitable society. I would also like to acknowledge and thank the Girmitians whose sacrifice has laid the foundation of the diverse and vibrant Fiji we all know today. Their enduring strength, spirit, have shaped our nation in ways that continue to resonate in our daily lives. Let us remember that their contributions were not only in the fields they work, but also in rich cultural heritage they helped preserve and pass on to future generations. As we gather here to commemorate this important day, we also express our deepest appreciation to everyone who has helped in preserving the history of the Girmitians. Your dedication and commitment to ensuring that the stories of our ancestors are never forgotten is invaluable. To all those who have contributed to organizing this event and making it possible, we offer our sincere thanks. Your efforts in educating our people about the shared history and fostering a sense of unity and understanding is commendable. We would also like to thank all the organizations who were part of the float procession today, and also to all the organizations and the stakeholders who have made today's opening session for the 146th Girmit commemoration a success. I would also like to thank the Master of Ceremony for today, Ms. Fatafei Luveni, our Senior Policy Analyst at Ministry of Multi-Ethnic Affairs and Sugar Industry, and Mr. Raj Sharma, CEO for Fiji Sugarcane Growers Fund, for coordinating today's event proper. Before I conclude, we invite each and every one of you to take part in the 3-day commemoration event. Let us come together to learn, share, and grow in our understanding for the history and the stories of the Girmit descendants and how they contributed towards the development of Fiji. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad.
Vinakavakalevu, Madam Director, I would like to now call upon the Honorable Charanjit Singh to present a token of appreciation to His Excellency the President. Gifting a harmonium holds cultural and symbolic significance, where music and hospitality are highly valued in the Indian tradition. Thank you, Honorable Minister. This now concludes our official program, and we extend our heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency the President, the First Lady, for gracing us with your presence today. Your support adds great honor to this commemoration, and we are truly grateful for your time and encouragement. Vinakavakalevu, Dhanyabad.
Thank you, Fane. So that ends the official program for this morning. Once again, His Excellency and the First Lady, Vinakavakalevu, Tui Madhuata, Honorable Minister, Cabinet Ministers, Assistant Ministers, and members of the Parliament Diplomatic Corps, thank you very much. Vinakavakalevu, Bahut Bahut Dhanyavad. From now onwards, there is an entertainment program that will continue with the FBC. And this evening at 6:45, the program resumes. और हम लोग फिर से आज रात्रि को मिलेंगे. This evening, the Chief Minister.
We near the end of, well, we officially have come to the end of the program, and well, that's a great vote of thanks from the Director of Multi-Ethnic Affairs. Miss Ashwini Singh, she took the stage to deliver the vote of thanks. You know, with gratitude in her words, she acknowledged the efforts of the young orators, the special guests, and everyone involved in making this event, a success. And her message is one of the appreciation, just highlighting the collective spirit that made today's celebration possible. Also a token of appreciation, made by the Minister for Multi-Ethnic Affairs and Sugar Industry, the Honorable Charanjit Singh, to the President of the Republic of Fiji, His Excellency Ratu Naiqama Lalabalavu, the gift of a harmonium, just showing how beautiful today has been.
तो जैसे कि ससलीना ने कहा कि बहुजातीय मामलों और चीनी उद्योग मंत्रालय की निदेशक यानी कि डायरेक्टर अश्विनी सिंह ने अपना धन्यवाद ज्ञापन किया और फिर उसके बाद महामहिम राष्ट्रपति को भेंट किया गया। और उससे पहले आपने देखा कि जो छात्र थे उनकी ओरेटरी हुई। सभी आपने देखा था जिन्होंने गिरमिट के विषय पर ओजस्वी वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत किया। बेथल स्कूल की छात्रा जैन ने अपने ओरेटरी में बड़े ही गर्व से कहा कि वो भारतीय मूल की आबादी का वो हिस्सा है और इस पर वो गर्व महसूस करती हैं। उन्होंने भावनात्मक रूप से ये भी कहा कि हमारी विरासत को केवल संग्रहालयों तक सीमित न किया जाए बल्कि उसे जीवित रखा जाए। हमारे जीवन में, हमारी सांसों में, हमारे व्यवहार और संस्कारों में वो निरंतर जीवंत और विकसित होती रहे।
इस समय दाबना प्रोग्राम वारोता kena singini kuwa matai ni singini kena wana no mitigna kan donan raw pasanga bulu kawono ni mbaki ino rada mai kina nondo bonoyer na Girmit rabosa na toranga na presidente nondo matini tu to bosar to na leo wana ngoni buli donga ni tu bimbi boritaka sekwana kena maroroi na vika membalit kenda era vaga mai oira era liwe kenda nondo mbuno nondo tangi nondo vaga koa enda merawata tu kena na tibinaka ena ngonongo ia no songo ngona tomani tiko rasa ngolele suna ilala boturanga ena kena boda bar na songo bimbini kuwa era sureti na lendo no mer tiko ena buni programo protectio na singini kuwa ni mataka kalkaki na singa moniti.
And that brings us to the end of our coverage of the Girmit celebrations here at Subrail Park in Labasa. But don't worry, the celebrations are far from over. The festivities will continue throughout this long weekend, and also we'll be back with you on Monday. From all of us here at FBC TV.
अब कार्यक्रम का औपचारिक समापन हो चुका है और महामहिम राष्ट्रपति और अन्य विशिष्ट अतिथि प्रदर्शनी का अवलोकन करने के लिए प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं, जहां गिरमिट इतिहास से जुड़ी चित्र, दस्तावेज और कला प्रदर्शित की गई हैं, जैसे कि आप टीवी पर देख सकते हैं। FBC टीवी से मैं शरीन प्रसाद एक ऐतिहासिक समारोह के साथ विदा लेती हूँ। आइए हम सब मिलकर इस धरोहर को संजोए, अतीत को स्मरण करें और एक सुनहरे भविष्य की ओर बढ़े। गिरमिट की 146th वर्षगांठ पर आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Ia bona bole sama da bekana songo bimbi matai ni singa me ka warta tikani kando na roba songo vulkono ni ambaki na rada mana Girmitia lebona be kana warta tikina me kanda sasara tikana ngonongo dananga mendo bata tale tikana singa moniti.
That's right. Well, from all of us here at FBC TV, I'm Cecilina Ravono, and with Shireen Prasad and also Miliki Langi, we're wishing you a wonderful afternoon. Vinaka Vakalevu and Modimanda.
So do come down and join us. Vinaka Vakalevu.